Hey, we're cooking today. Oh yeah. I already got some water going. Slowly but surely. I'm gonna put some tomatoes in it. And some tuna fish. Not necessarily going to be vegan, but it's alright. And then I'm going to bed. Because I'm tired. Alright, the noodles are almost done. Noodles. So you just gotta stir them up. Not sure why the light came on, but okay. Nice. That was fun. I would say that's straight. Alright, so now we need okay, 25,000 minutes later. We got a setup going. Lord. Colander. Oven mitt. Stupid. Oh, look, a free facial. Just kidding, I'll do that. Because that will cause you to burn your skin. Speaking from experience. Alright, so now I need butter. Margarine. Get it all in there. Butter, 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 butter. What happens in the mind of the criminal when you'll never know. What it is? Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Alright, so now we're gonna put it here. You can either cook dinner or burn it to get a good angle of it. There we go. Bacon cheese. You're not gonna like it, Grandma. It's spicy. Can you guys see it from over there? Oh yeah. Get that vegan cheese all up in there. Hi. Sorry. This isn't for you. Save a little bit of Alright, now we gotta put in our tomatoes. Okay, does it look special? No. Does it look appeasing? No. Are we gonna eat it anyways? Yes. Na 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 na. Okay. Actually, I need to clean up my mess that I made. Okay. So, One of the first things that I'm going to get that I keep forgetting is a freaking tripod. So I keep forgetting about it. And I need to not to. This looks so gross. I know my grandma's gonna stick her face right in it too. Okay, it's now for my favorite time, spices. Okay, first things first, we're going to put in some chili flakes that I got from HelloFresh, and they're still going strong. Pepper, some Italian seasoning, some minced onion, a sprinkle of chives, and some parsley. Okay. And then my secret ingredient, just a little dash of some cinnamon sugar. Patches is going crazy upstairs. And voila, that's what we get. I wanted to give an update. This is actually really, really good. You know, it kind of tastes like, honestly, I'm not sure what it tastes like. But it's definitely interesting. Patches! Alright, everybody. That's going to do it for me today. Thank you for cooking with me. And hope y'all are doing great. Have a great evening or day whenever you're seeing this. And remember that you are loved, you are special, you are beautiful, and you are here for a reason. Alright, bye!